Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a controversial but interesting topic, the negging game. What is it? How can you use it effectively without crossing any lines? Let's unpack this together. First off, what exactly is negging? Negging is a subtle, backhanded compliment or light insult that aims to undermine someone's confidence, making them seek your approval. Sounds tricky, right? Well, it can be, which is why it's important to approach it carefully. Here's a quick example. Instead of saying, "You look great in that dress," say, "That dress is nice, but I think you'd look even better in blue." See the difference? It's a playful nudge, not a jab. All right, rule number one, keep it light and playful. The goal is to create a fun, teasing atmosphere, not to make someone feel bad. If your comment feels too harsh, it probably is. Soften it up and make sure there's a hint of a smile when you deliver it. Next, timing is everything. Deliver your neg at the right moment. Too soon and it comes off weird. Too late and it loses its impact. Ideally, you want to drop it when the conversation is flowing smoothly. This keeps things natural and prevents any awkwardness. Now let's talk about context. Negging works best in a social setting where humor and banter are appreciated. In more serious situations, it can come off as disrespectful. So read the room and make sure your audience is in the mood for some playful teasing. One key thing to remember, neg with a purpose. Use it to build connection and rapport, not to tear someone down. Your goal is to create intrigue and keep the conversation lively. If your neg doesn't serve that purpose, it's better to skip it. Another tip, mix in genuine compliments. Balance your negs with positive reinforcement. This shows that you're not just trying to play mind games, but you genuinely appreciate the person. For instance, after a playful neg, follow up with a sincere compliment about something you truly admire about them. Finally, be prepared for reactions. Not everyone will respond well to negging, and that's okay. If someone seems hurt or offended, apologize and clarify that it was meant in good fun. It's important to be empathetic and aware of the impact of your words. So there you have it. Negging can be a fun tool in your dating arsenal if used correctly. Keep it light, time it well, read the room, and always aim to build connections rather than break them. Thanks for tuning in and happy dating. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dating tips. Catch you next time.